How to enter promo codes on Walmart. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily enter the promo codes on your Walmart app. So the first thing you're going to have to do is download the application and then open it up. You could also use your website. So once you are here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then once you have done that, tap on the cart icon at the top right if you have any items. But if you don't have any, just go ahead and add any items you want. So let's just add this one right here. Tap on the card icon at the top. And once you do that, you should be able to see all of your products here. Now just tap on continue to checkout. Then once you've done that, you could just scroll down here on your checkout page and you should see an option that says have a promo code, and you can enter the promo code there and then click on apply. If the promo code is valid, you should get certain amount of discount depending on the code, and you're good to go. That's how you basically add promo code on the Walmart app. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.